Hello and welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. This is where we take a look at new and upcoming affiliate marketing and online income tools and strategies and help you to understand whether or not a product is good for you or not, and help you to understand simply what you can expect to get with the product. Uh, Full disclosure, there will be a link in the description. If you choose to purchase the product through that link, I will receive a commission. However, that does not necessarily stop me from giving a bad review for a product. My goal ultimately is to guide you through the wide and crazy world of affiliate marketing and online products and to help you to find stuff that's good for you and help you to avoid the stuff that I don't think looks solid. Today in this video, we're going to look at Auto Video Creator. Right out of the box, many of you probably have better products than this already. However, if you're just starting out, if you're looking for a system to help you make quick, easy, reasonably professional looking videos in a hurry, or if you're shy and you're looking for something that will do text to speech, this I think is going to be a great product for you. And I'm going to give you a few reasons. First of all, I like the sales page on this. There's a video here. I'm not going to watch it all the way through. We're just going to see. Oh, that's crazy loud. And no, I wasn't sure. I wasn't sure if this was going to show us the length of the video. I think I watched this before. I think this is about a 12-minute video. It is a pretty decent walkthrough of what the product is, what it can do, and how easy it is to use. We've got a price here. We've got payment methods. We've got not really an awful lot of hype. If you want to build your brand, chances are you need to have a video to show your expertise. This is reasonably true. It doesn't matter what you're doing. Again, you could be an online marketer. You could be an affiliate marketer. You could be somebody who's looking to build a bit of a resume. Maybe you want a YouTube career. Maybe you're just looking to augment your regular business. Maybe you're a contractor, or you're an interior decorator, or you're a cook. Whatever you want to do, it doesn't hurt to be able to promote yourself and promote your business with video. But video is intimidating for a lot of people. So what this is doing, and it's again like this is the hype on this. If you've watched many of my videos, you know I'm not a big fan of never-ending hype. You get a page that goes on and on and on, and just scrolling down takes like 5 minutes, and it doesn't tell you much about the product. It just tells you how wonderful it is. This is brief. It's to the point. This is all of it. There's the bottom. There's the disclaimer. Here's I'm probably going to mispronounce this, but Vamshik. And we've got a couple of brief. Sorry, I've had a moment here. A couple of brief testimonials here. What I would recommend with this product is that you watch the video. Watch the video, get an idea of what it does. It's not going to be a complete walkthrough. Again, it's, I think, somewhere between 10 and 14 minutes. It's not a long video, but it will give you some basics. And if you look at some of the drop-down options, it's going to give you a wider, take a couple of pauses through the video to look at the drop-down menus and options that aren't shown, but that you will see available in the video. You've got a decent looking software package, really a software suite here, and your price on it is $14. There are free options available for doing basic video editing. There are certain things you're going to get that will come with, say, a Microsoft Office suite or something like that. I think for what you get, just based on what you see in the promotional video here, I think $14 is actually a really good price for this. I think a lot of you are going to find promoting yourself, promoting your business, that this is going to be a good call for you. So I really, other than the fact that there may be something I'm not aware of, I'm not an expert on video creation and all of the different software suites that are out there. There's no upsells to this. So you're not gonna click on this and then find out that there's an unlimited version and that there's a done for you. It's just selling you a video creation and editing software suite for $14. So that's it. So if you think that that is something that can be useful to you, again, check out the promotional video at the top. It's not really promotional so much; it is a walkthrough and demonstration video. And maybe this isn't for you, maybe it is, but I think it's true that most of you are going to want something that's going to let you create videos. If you're trying to market yourself these days, you've got Facebook, you've got YouTube, you've got Instagram, you've got TikTok. The ability to link videos on Twitter and other places like that is just so invaluable. It gives you another level of being able to communicate with your client and customer base, deal with the people who are following you, and help people to find you and see the quality of the product or whatever it is that you are trying to offer them. So check out the link in the description. That'll take you to the sales page. Again, if you do choose to purchase this product through that link, I will receive a commission, but my goal at the end of the day is not just to make a couple of dollars. My goal is to help you to find products that are going to help you in your path to an online income. So I hope that's been helpful, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day, and hopefully we'll see you back here again soon.